Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can share your Spotify songs on Snapchat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in this website, but I found a guide that explains perfectly everything you need to know about sharing what you're listening to on Spotify using Snapchat. With Spotify, you can listen to your favorite music and podcasts anytime, anywhere. With Snapchat, you can share what you're up to instantaneously. Soon, you'll be able to combine the two seamlessly and share what you're listening to in a Snap Story. As part of a new integration, all Spotify users who have the Snapchat app installed will be able to share your favorite tracks, playlists, albums, and podcasts right to Snapchat for sharing with friends directly or posting to your story. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, tap the share menu or the three dots on the right of the screen while you're listening to any song, album, artist, or podcast. Select Snapchat from the drop down list. Then, Snapchat will open a new tab with the full album art included. Edit and send, whether to a few people or to your story. If a friend sends you a snap with a song, playlist, artist profile, or podcast recorded included, you can start streaming with a few quick steps. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, tap the context card with a song or artist or anything. Spotify will open and play away. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.